Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have Oxtail.
Can share from the get-go. I'm gonna let y'all know that already.
Alright, before we dig in guys and devour this delicious meal prepared by myself, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. We get into 4,000 guys, but we want to get to 5.
Look at that. Do you know? You have something to say? Because I'm gonna eat my oxtail, take my time, enjoy my oxtail, because they know I love the oxtail. Yeah, oxtail price drop. First lady just tell me the oxtail price drop. So you know what? Go buy oxtail regular now. It was too expensive and we can't afford that.
We haven't had it in a while.
In a long time, for real. Alright.
So this is gunga peas. So gunga peas rice. Okay. And then I have here a everything bagel salad. And then we have pear, aka or avocado, aka pear, or pear, aka avocado.
Yeah, I'm using these people, you know. They don't know me, so I'm not saying the name no more. I'm still using them though.
Good. Happy Monday. Monday is a fun day. You think Monday is a fun day, Tom?
Yeah, more oxtail on me. Yeah, more oxtail on me. That's
You
something.
see, this is why I'm making oxtail on
you have more oxtail on me every time.
Please. I'm gonna start making oxtail permanently.
There we go. Look at that.
You don't notice that he barely put it to the camera?
Damn right.
He didn't want to give you none. Don't let him fool you.
You caught on? Good job.
This is how you do it.
Get him.
You see that? You see that?
Right the bite of your finger, yeah?
Ah! For real.
Oh. Yeah. Got that drink.
What are you drinking?
That booger sugar. We got that booger sugar, family. Yeah, that's the name, booger sugar. It's my homeboy drinks. He makes it.
It's really good.
Really good. So you know that booger sugar. Damn. Cause I know they want to ask what's in that joint. Not lemonade.
We don't know.
Not lemonade. And he's not gonna tell, so we don't know, family.
But it's so funny because sometimes I actually call Richie Sugar, right? And sometimes I'll be like, Sugar Booger. So when he told us the name was Booger Sugar, I started laughing. I was like, oh wow.
Yep.
And people were like, why would you name it that name? And he said, I'm gonna keep it that name because
It's made with love.
it's made with love.
It's busting too, I ain't gonna cap. You have more oxtail on me, I don't care where you want them, you have more oxtail on me.
It's not worse.
So how y'all doing, man?
We're already in April and somebody's birthday is coming up.
Oh my gosh, I forgot to tell him. I'm so into my oxtail, consuming my food. I don't got my birthday coming up. How could I do that? Look at me. All the rice dropping on my mouth. How could I forget, family? And y'all didn't remind me. You never know anyway.
Aries in the building.
Aries in the building, you know? Yep. My birthday is the 14th. Okay? So make sure. Birthday coming, yeah, flood the comments. What do you want?
You want hot sauce?
Yes.
You put hot sauce on your food?
I should do.
When you start putting hot sauce on your
Mama,
food?
you don't want to taste the booger sugar for real? The drink.
What is it?
Huh?
Nothing.
Sorry.
Enjoy your food.
It's your fiestina.
So you know, My birthday coming. I know what first that they got from me. No?
The big birthday surprise is when he turns the big 4-0. I'm a cougar.
She's a cougar.
So.
Come, look at my paper. Wow.
I know she put hot sauce on Oxtail. I didn't even know she do that. These kids are just growing up so fast, I can't keep up.
Wow.
Refreshing.
Refreshing, family. Yes, y'all can go out there and go buy the Oxtail now. It's cheap. I ate 1 or 2 already. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Wow, you gave me a lot. I thought you said you gave me a little bit.
Cut me eye for you.
13 piece? Wow, that's a lot.
And then big too.
Very.
I don't like big oxtail, like huge ones.
How you cut them again?
I cut them split 1 inch. I don't like them big, like when you get it like Publix or Costco.
Hold on, let me show you.
That's too big. I don't like that.
We don't do oxtail like these. We don't rock with those oxtail like that.
I don't like it.
We don't use those jumbo. We use like small oxtail.
I like oxtail this size.
Yeah, y'all too? I didn't know that. So you don't like them that big too? Okay, thank you.
The only time
when you make them that big, you come like you just might as well take the whole cup.
The only time I make oxtail, well, I've never made oxtail that big. But if I was, I would use the oxtail to make the birba with the cheese and stuff.
The oxtail look like beef bone. Too big. Damn, I ate a period. We like the small pieces.
Yeah. It's faster, and the flavor gets more into it.
Wow.
I feel like I can't.
Just want to ask y'all, how many?
Ask them.
Where y'all staying? Did I ask already? Is everything open back normal? I didn't think I asked them already. Cause Florida is normal now.
Florida been normal.
Normal,
Florida don't follow rules. We do what we want to do here.
Yep. But how is it y'all in y'all states? Y'all still gotta wear masks? I was waiting for this.
My daughter said, "Mommy, you haven't made oxtail in a while. Can you please make oxtail?" I was like, "I gotta see the price because it's been expensive, and I can't do it. I can't do it."
What?
Tom,
What?
no cap. The last time I made oxtail was Thanksgiving.
It was?
Yeah.
Really? Wow.
Yeah. Last time I made oxtail was for Thanksgiving, guys. That was the last time.
That means it's
What?
I mean expensive. Right, family?
It was expensive.
True.
Yeah.
I took one already.
Why?
You can't remember when you watch the video. You can right.
Fine. Yeah, 14 pieces oxtail. Still get my oxtail?
You gave me 13. Mine
No, the
is
shame.
Nope. Not only comes to oxtail. Look at that.
I gotta stop trusting you.
So nice.
Watch your ass.
Family. She said I give you none, I gave you some now.
I gotta watch you, Tom.
When it comes to oxtail, you know.
Get it, man.
Elaine, you can have as much as you want right now. We're gonna ship it to you, okay?
Late night. Oxtail is not expensive anymore. When I make it, I'm gonna send you some.
Real talk, we're gonna send you some for real. Or we gonna pop up, you know we do pop-ups.
That's true. That's true.
We pop up. You're too full of shit, my
For real.
Wow. They don't eat the African like this, you know? They don't. This time I'm sure how they eat the oxtail. Family, this time some of y'all eat oxtail. Look. Look. All this meat right here they go.
You get damage in our house.
We don't play that. We don't play that. We eat everything.
Whoa. Wow.
Back to the PCR. The way how y'all eat it. We don't eat it like that. We go like this. Make sure everything come out. That.
I hope you guys had a good weekend.
Yeah, for real.
I know we didn't do Fast Food Friday, but we got y'all. We slowly but surely trying to come back to reality, right?
But I will be going live on my birthday.
Yes.
Okay? Remember, jot this one down. We will be going live on my birthday. So that's Thursday, April 14th. Okay? We'll be going live. So I want everybody to tune in. Okay? Alright. Birthday celebration. Okay? Wow.
What the?
You fell over there? Buy the too. Yeah, man, you can drink good man.
What I like about it is while you're drinking it, you don't taste the pineapple. But as soon as you finish drinking it, that's the last thing you taste is the pineapple. It's crazy. It's weird.
Nice.
Man, no how he make it, but he make it good.
Good. Yep, that's the juice. It's in stores too.
Local stores, Tom, or like big stores? Or he's trying to get it into big stores?
Trying to get in the big store, but it's at restaurants and stuff.
Like Jamaican restaurants? That's good. That's real good.
Bussin'.
No, he doesn't ship yet. But when he starts, we will definitely let you know because this drink is good.
Yep. So when you start shipping, alright, I'm gonna turn on my face to eat my food, man. I've been talking too much.
Really?
Let's eat. Actually, you don't eat. Actually, you don't talk.
I have my food, man.
Boy, oh boy, I love oxtails. Oh, oxtails are free. The rice is nice.
Rice is good.
Nice. I love first lady food. Damn. Third glass of booger.
What?
Yeah, the third glass of booger sugar, me. Yeah, booger sugar up.
I gotta be careful when I'm eating these bones. If I crack my teeth, I go to the dentist. Oh, excuse me, guys. What a pig I am. What a pig I am. Whew.
Full? I was waiting for that. Is it full, right? Okay. She said she
I
was
said
full.
I'm full.
Uh-huh.
We never said me stop yum.
You say you're full. Oh. When you say you're full, that means you're done. Can't trick me. If there was something else now, you wouldn't say that now. Right, Frank? She said she's full. That means she's finished, right? Come on now, y'all know that. I said when first lady full, that's it. And I make sure. That took over.
This bone right here is it. All the juice is inside of here. In here. All the juice.
Yep. Wow. I needed this oxtail.
Yes, there's still juice in here. The color in my hair is starting to fade. So I don't know if I'm going to make it blonde again. Damn, that bone was good.
You want to borrow one of oxtail? You can borrow one. You want to buy one? That's half of the price, you know?
I better have no hot sauce on it now.
I'm going to eat hot sauce. I don't eat hot sauce anymore.
I'll finish hot sauce.
Yo! I don't know oxtail, yo.
Child. Look at that. 8 pieces. And you take one. We have 9 pieces, and you got 14.
You say you're full. Once you're full, that's it. That means you're done eating, right?
How many pieces you have? 14.
I had 14 already. But you say you're full. That's your thing.
Whew. I am full.
When you're full, it's my turn.
I told you guys that I love grits now. My whole family love grits now. The way I make it though.
Yep. He makes some good grits. How would y'all know? I'm trying to tell y'all, listen. Y'all soon find out.
Let me tell you something. I couldn't go to a restaurant and order grits. No. I did it twice and I didn't like it. But my sister made me some grits at her job. And I was like, damn, this grits is good. But I want to put my, stink on it. So I tried to make it. It didn't come out right. So when I asked my sister, for those of you who don't know, my sister, she's a chef, right? So I asked her, what did you put in your grits? And she told me. I said, okay. So I did it, but then I added my stuff to it, to make it my own. And this family cannot get enough of grits. It's delicioso. Yeah, Troy Dyce.
That's what I'm saying. We're going hunting. We're going treasure hunting.
Lord. I think you were say bird hunting. You get my video? You got my video?
You said video, I'm gonna say one fucking bird. Be that zombie.
That's what I'm saying. I can't see the birds.
Exactly. So you said video and you talking about birds.
To tell you to listen to how much birds is chirping.
We hear them all the time. I thought I was gonna see birds flying over the place.
Are you a business type? We're not do that. There's a lot of birds out there. When you're home, no birds come out. You notice that? You don't hear no birds chirping. Cause I don't know if you follow Richie on TikTok, but Richie got a TikTok and he made a slingshot.
They don't follow me on TikTok. They don't follow me no way.
If you guys want to follow him on TikTok, it's Richie OG. So he made a slingshot, and ever since Richie made a slingshot, Richie's been looking for a bird to get.
We got a place in Florida gonna go bird hunting. We're gonna go down there. Listen.
Oh Lord, yo, why you too extra enough? Yeah.
I chat too much money.
Please. Fuck yo. Fucking annoying ass.
No, that's the rest, boy.
Oh please. Too fucking free, man. Everything you're free for.
You chat too much, man.
Please.
Look at that. That's how we eat oxtail. If you come to our house and you get oxtail, your bone don't look like that. Bye, Felicia. Okay, what I got for y'all?
Don't come back.
Don't come back. That was delicious.
Thank you, my love.
Excuse me. All right. What I got for y'all today, good peoples, right? People still commenting on my video right now. Okay. First lady. Family. Viewers. Okay? We got the family and we got the viewers. The viewers, you know, the one that stay back over this side, you know? But for everybody, we all one, okay? Listen up now, okay, first lady? Family. Believe in yourself and your feelings. Trust yourself to do what your heart is guiding you to do. Your intuition is powerful. Trust it.
Ooh. Ladies, your intuition is powerful. You trust it. If you know he ain't doing right, he ain't doing right. So I put that out there.
I don't need to say it again, Curry. You said it already. You already elaborate. We appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with us. You know. Thank you for, you know what I mean? Just rock with us. So if you reach this far, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new, I am Richie, and this is Shanice, aka First Ladies, aka Slash Halle Berry, aka Niecy Minaj. And they are.
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Another mukbang, of course.
Bye. Follow me on TikTok, Richie OG.